Everyone wants to be a hero. And that is exactly why you shouldn't be one. Welcome guys, if this is your first time watching, my name is Jessie Lewis and I am a copywriting coach teaching you how to take your marketing into your own hands and write your own copy. Now today we're talking about heroes because everyone loves a hero, right? This is something that is so common in our society, both of course from the outright perspective of Marvel and the superhero movies, DC, but also it's in every single piece of content. We know what it's like to identify with the main character of a story, and we're really familiar with the hero's journey, if not in name, in practice. The hero's journey is a structure that starts with someone whose life is normal and then something happens that makes him go out on an adventure. This is Luke Skywalker, leaving his town to go become a Jedi, or Bilbo going out to do Bilbo things. Man, it's been a while since I watched those movies. The hero goes out on a journey, and on the way they meet a guide who teaches them how to do whatever it is they're supposed to be doing, right? Luke meets Yoda. They go off and they go through lots of different trials that all, culminates in one big trial. The big event happens and then the story resolves. This is something that if you go through some of your favorite books, favorite movies, I promise you'll probably see this in quite a few of them. And because of that, we are so familiar with the hero narrative. We know what it sounds like to talk like a hero. And so when we look at our businesses, it's really easy to think, oh, of course, this client has problems. I can swoop in, save the day, solve all their problems for them. And that would be wonderful, except for the fact that everyone else who you are interacting with also thinks they're the hero. And we know what happens when there's two heroes in one story, right? There's Batman and there's Superman in one story. Conflict happens. I think. I haven't actually seen that movie, but I'm pretty sure bad things happen, right? Let me know in the comments. And so it is so much more valuable, instead of saying, I am the hero to save you, to position yourself as the guide. Remember, that's the person in the story who helps them along their journey. They're not saving the day, they're helping the hero save the day. And shout out to Story Brand by Donald Miller. This is an amazing book that introduced this idea. Highly, highly recommend, because it will change your perspective on branding altogether. So this idea of being the guide in your business, what does it actually look like? When it comes to communication, it really comes down to a difference in how you speak. And the difference is I versus you language, right? Hero versus guide language. Hero language would be something like, I have done all these different things in my life and this is why I'm the right person for the job. But guide language is more along the lines of, you want to do all these things. Let me show you how to get there. So let me make it even more real for you. Here's an example of how a life coach might communicate. The I language, that hero language might be something like, I help clients figure out what's going on in their lives. My proven process and experience allows me to help people get to the root of the issue. It's not bad, but imagine if instead you talk to your clients like this. You want to do X, but it keeps going wrong. Together, we'll go through a proven process so you can get to the root of the issue. It's a total flip, because instead of saying, I'm the one with all the answers, it's keeping the entire narrative in the perspective of the reader. It's all about you. So this is a fantastic technique to use in your copywriting, especially if you are an online service provider who is helping other people in any capacity, right? Because they are the heroes and you can be their guide. I recommend this all the time. Guys, just use it. It's one of the best things you can do. That is it for today. As always, if you like videos like this, please consider subscribing. I make lots of them. And I wanted to let you know about my emails. Guys, jessierlewis.com. That is where you can go if you want to not only get updated about videos like this, but also I send out articles that I've written on copy and marketing and business, and I send out exclusive content that I don't actually publish publicly. So if you want to get in on that, jessierlewis.com. I can't wait to see you there. Until next time, guys, take care.